Well, this back bolt said no, it ain't coming off. Sent me to get something a little bigger. So you are coming off too. Alright, I'll tell you what. We'll try you again. Let's see here. I think what the problem is since I can't get straight on it, and I'm putting this stupid flex in there, but I'm going to try you one more damn time. Alright. Get in there. Now take it off. I still won't budge it. Alright, fine. You're stuck. Alright, you be that way. Pliers to get that out. Well, I'll wait on the air compressor, get back up to some power, and maybe it'll turn it loose. But that's to be expected. I got excited thinking that this impact wrench was going to do something. It did turn that one loose. But this back one's got more rust on it. I'm still going to try it on the other ones. I'm hard-headed like that. I don't give up. Alright, we're back to full power on the compressor. Let's go. Oh well. Get that piece out of there. At least I can stand up here and do it. Okay. Finally got that piece out of there. Let's see if we can turn it from up here. Alright, let's see if that impact wrench will turn that thing now. You better turn it, I'll tell you that. Thank you. Alright. Yeah, let's see if we can get this one rested way off here. Alright. Go. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. 2 more times to have that much fun, and Then we get to play roll the axle out from underneath it.